Hi, this is Shankar from Tenet Tech. In this video, I am going to interface thumb joystick with a ChipKit 32. For application, I will be using a servo motor which is controlled by the thumb joystick. Here, I am going to use the Tenet Tech joystick shield to interface with the ChipKit 32. This is the servo motor I will be using. This is a small servo motor used for small loads, so we will be connecting directly to the ChipKit 32 for supply. While using servo motor with more loads should be provided with external power supply. The connection for the servo motor goes like this: yellow for the input signal from the controller, red for the power supply, and the brown wire for the ground. This is the connection. For interfacing, the output of the joystick is connected to the analog 0 of the 32, and the input for the servo motor is provided by the digital pin 9 of 32. Here goes the demo. Here I will be accessing x-axis of the thumb joystick. Using the thumb joystick, we can develop applications like controlling the robotic arm, controlling the direction of the Land Rover, and you can develop a gaming application using the thumb joystick. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.